one known as the Grey Logs. That squadron is based in San Diego, California at Miramar. Captain King has been assisted today by co-pilot Captain Bobby Schwartz. Known as the tilt rotor aircraft, you can see it now in the semi-helicopter mode. Come down to the show center to take off and show you the unique capabilities of the vertical takeoff and landing. Up to the vertical lift. Watch the pylons now as they start to rotate into the airplane mode as they are tilted forward. Increasing airspeed and increasing the angle of the engine pods on the Osprey. Now in the full airplane mode to the left. Sergeant Joshua Payne aboard the MV-22 as they approach from the left now, a little over 300 miles an hour in the Osprey. Assault Support Tilt Rotor aircraft designed to replace the aging CH-46 Sea-Knight helicopter that served the Marine Corps for nearly 5 decades. But it's not just a helicopter. It is part airplane. Prepares to go into a converting turn, and we'll tell you how that is accomplished as he passes by in front of the crowd. But once again, here we are at 300 miles an hour. You look at it, you see the both spinning propellers out in front of those engine pods. Looks, and it is an airplane right now. Now they're bringing the nacelles off the downstop, converting the airplane mode to VTOL mode or helicopter mode. Pilot controls those nacelles with a thumb switch, manipulating a thumb wheel to roll the nacelles from the horizontal to vertical. And what you're seeing now is the unique capability. Convert from high speed and long range airplane configuration into vertical takeoff and landing configuration in just seconds. It has the advantages of speed and distance of an airplane combined with the vertical takeoff and landing of a helicopter. Right now you're witnessing the hovering and maneuvering capabilities of the Osprey. It's got a fly-by-wire flight control system in it. First production rotorcraft that is fly-by-wire, all done by computers. They take control inputs from the pilot, exchange that to move the control surfaces and such. Turn now 90 degrees to face us, showing you the sideward movement. Hovering capability makes the aircraft verse land almost anywhere. It doesn't require runways to take off and land on heavy classes of ships previously accessible only in helicopters. It can perform external cargo lifts through the use of dual-point cargo hooks, and it even can land in brownout conditions where dust or sand blocks the view of the pilots. The nacelle lows no hover over the same spot while maintaining altitude and then return to level configuration. But right now you're seeing a 360-degree turn in the Osprey. Captain Joshua Donnie King, Captain Bobby Schwartz at the controls. Here we go. Now we're moving those nacelles. There's the little bow to the crowd there. Another 90-degree turn. And now executes a vertical landing for you. You can see the tremendous capability from 300 miles an hour down to 0 with the MV-22. Now we're going to do a 60-degree in the CAS Marine Corps Station in Miramar, San Diego, California. Roll-on landing by the MV-22. And we're setting up for L.M. Sawyer, otherwise known as Lunar. I'll tell you about Jive Kirby. Here comes our Osprey on the roll-on landing for you, ladies and gentlemen. Oregon International Airshow 2016.
There he is, the Osprey comes in. Tom Clancy wrote his last novel, finished it before that great writer finished before the novel came out, he passed away. It's called Command Authority, and when you read that, our good guys were at an embassy under great assault. They had made their way to the roof. They had already had some